Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to try on some new products that I got from Morphe. Yes, I did get Morphe products. Guys, these were not bought from any Instagram store. Actually, my husband's close friend who stays in Canada was coming back to India and he was very kind enough to bring me all these things. So thank you so much, Vipin, for bringing all this. In this video, we are going to try out these products and check are Morphe products worth the hype or not. So yes, if you are interested in knowing what are the products I got and how they perform, then please continue watching. But before that, if you are watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so that you get notifications. You can also follow me on Instagram. Now let's get into the video. I don't have full face of makeup. I just have few products. The first product I got is this. This is the James Charles palette. Oh my god, I was eyeing on this since ages. I got the mini version. Obviously the bigger version is very bulky and I know I'm not going to finish the eyeshadow palette, but still I wanted the James Charles palette in my collection, so I got this. And we will talk about this palette in detail. We will be trying on this palette. And also, since Jeffree Star is cancelled by Morphe, most of his collaboration products were literally at a very dirt cheap rate, and I picked up a bunch of products. The first product I got is this. This is the Morphe X Jeffree Star Beauty Sponge Trio. We have the full size beauty blender and two small size ones. So we are going to try out this. And also I got this Morphe X Jeffree Star setting mist. I have this stippling brush. Guys, I never blend my foundation using a brush. I usually use a sponge, but the only reason why I got this is shipping free karne ke liye. I was like a few $, away from free shipping, इसलिए I added this so that free shipping मिल जाए. The next thing I got is this. This is the Morphe X Jeffree Star eye brush collection. So we are going to talk about everything in detail. Let's start with the video. I'm going to start off with my eye makeup because a lot of people said that ये बहुत ज़्यादा fallout देता है. This palette is either extremely loved or extremely hated. So I don't know in which category I'm going to fall. So let's check it out. So this is a bubble wrap inside. And when we open it, this is what the palette looks like. This just says James Charles in the front. It is matte, and so Morphe X James Charles, the mini palette is written in glossy finish. And they have this protecting cover which has all the names, and I'm sure I'm going to lose it. And this is what the palette looks like. I did not touch it. Yeah, आया था मेरे पास, but I did not touch it. I wanted to try it out with you guys. And this has a mirror. And for eye makeup, I'm going to use this brush set. This is the Morphe X Jeffree Star eye brush collection, and we have 10 eye brushes plus one bag. Piche we have some details given, the brush name and all the brush details are given at the back. And this is what the pouch looks like. And we have all the 10 brushes in this small pouch, not pouch, plastic bag. And oh my god, all the brushes are individually wrapped in a plastic, so that's a really good thing. So let me just clean up all the plastics and I'll be right back. So yeah, we have these 10 brushes. Let me quickly go through all the brushes for you guys. The first brush is this JS5 brush. This is a crease queen brush. So this is like a fluffy crease blending brush. Next one is this JS6 brush. This is a rule blender brush. This is like slightly packed here and then fluffy here. So this will also be really good in packing the eyeshadow and also blending it. The next brush, it is JS7, the double trouble brush. This has actually this is an eyebrow filling brush. We have this eyebrow filling part on one side and spoolie on the other side. And this eyebrow filler part is really very thin, like very thin. Next one is JS8 and it is the Drama Crease brush, and it is really a very fluffy crease blending brush. जो अगर आपको throughout eyelid एक ही eyeshadow use करके blend करना है तो it will be very good for it. Next one is JS9, the Fluffer Crease brush. Again this is a blending brush, लेकिन ये थोड़ा सा pointed है edge पे, so it will be very good, like थोड़ा सा precisely pack करके precisely blend करने के लिए crease पे बहुत अच्छा रहेगा ये. Next is JS10. This is called as Diva Crease brush. So this is very good for cutting the crease. Next is JS11 Blunt Packer brush. So obviously this is going to be the shimmer या glitter packing brush. The next one is JS12. It is the sport mode blender brush. So this is a very small blender brush. अगर आपको outer V पे product को concentrate करके अगर आपको थोड़ा सा buff out करना है या फिर अगर आपको थोड़ा सा blow out करना है जिसको, तो उस केस में ये बहुत अच्छा काम आएगा. Next one is JS13. This is Palm Crease brush. Again, this is a really small brush, like it is smaller than the previous brush. तो अगर आपको एकदम लोअर लैश लाइन पे अगर प्रोडक्ट को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है या फिर एकदम प्रिसाइसली अगर आपको थोड़ा सा आई शेडो डिपॉजिट करके ब्लेंड करना है तो ये ब्रश बहुत काम का है. एंड लास्ट में वी हैव दिस JS14 हैप्पी एंडिंग लाइनर ब्रश. सो वी हैव दिस लाइनर ब्रश. वो थोड़ा सा प्लास्टिक प्रोटेक्शन के साथ आया है. तो दिस इज वेरी स्टिफ, वेरी गुड फॉर लिक्विड लाइनर, जेल लाइनर. You can also use this for lip liner. So yeah, we have these 10 brushes and we are going to use these brushes with this James Charles palette. Yeah, I'm going to combine James Charles and Jeffree Star. So yeah, I hope I don't make a mess. Let's start with filling in our eyebrows, and I am really excited to try out this brush. This is the JS7 brush and I'm going to use a powder brow product for that obviously. This is the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit and I'm going to take this shade. And I'm going to turn it around on the spoolie side and I'm going to just brush it. Spoolie is a bit hard than for my liking. I like my spoolies to be very soft, but I don't mind it. Okay, so far I really like this brush. It was very easy for me to fill in my brows and also the spoolie thoda sa hard tha, but I don't mind it. I really like it. Now I'm going to prep my eyelid using this Cups and Lashes Cover Pot in the shade 09. I'm not using the Jeffree Star brush for that because मुझे वो बाद में आई शेडो के लिए यूज करना है. Let's go for this palette. I am very excited to try out this palette. And did I mention I got this palette for around 1200 or 1300 rupees? Yes, you heard me right. Actually, I got this from the Morphe's official website and also I got it during Black Friday sale. So it was 40% off. So मुझे literally 1200 और 1300 मिल रहा है. मैं आपको प्राइस डिटेल स्क्रीन पे मेंशन कर दूंगी बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं आपको लिंक नहीं दे पाऊंगी बिकॉज ये इंडियन वेबसाइट नहीं था. लाइक दिस वाज बॉट फ्रॉम द मॉर्फी कनाडा वेबसाइट. सो ऑब्वियसली लिंक आपके काम का नहीं है बट यू कैन फाइंड दिस पैलेट लाइक इन अ लॉट ऑफ इंस्टाग्राम स्टोर्स. दे सेल इट बट इंस्टाग्राम स्टोर्स ये बहुत महंगा बेचते हैं. लाइक लिटरली दे सेल इट फॉर 4000 2500. सो इट्स टोटली योर कॉल टू try it or not. I have it, so I'm going to try it. Actually, I should have used these two shades to fill in my eyebrows because James said that this palette is very versatile. So I might try my full face using this except my base obviously. So let's start with eyes first. Okay, I'm going to start off with this orange. This one is called as 518 and I'm going to put this in my crease. So let's see how this goes. I'm taking the Jeffree Star JS9 brush and I'm going to just load my brush with it and I'm going to just tap off the excess. So this does have a lot of fallout. I'm going to just put this in my crease. I really like this brush because ये मेरे eye socket पे एकदम perfectly बैठा है. Okay guys, that orange does not look like orange, like it literally looks like yellow. So I'm going to go for this shade. This is called as Rusted and I'm going to just apply this over the shade that I applied. This is like between red and orange. And I'm going to just deepen my crease color a bit. Now I'm going to switch to JS12 brush and I'm going to take this red called as You're Kidding. And I'm going to put this in my outer V. Now I'm going to turn my brush to the other side जहाँ पे product almost ना के बराबर है and I'm going to blend out that shape with my crease color. Okay guys, I want to try out this purple. This is called as Artistry, but I cannot use it directly because it's a lid topper kind of shade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay down this shade first. This is called as Escape and I'm going to take this brush. This is JS6 brush and I'm going to just lay down this on the inner half of my eyelid. Oh my god, ये ऐसे ही बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मुझे अभी और कुछ करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है, just थोड़ा बहुत blending. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this shade, that is the Artistry shade, with my finger. This is a lid topper kind of shade which has like pink blue shift to it and I'm going to put it exactly at the center of my lid. just to give a little bit of shine to my lids, if I may say so. Okay, now it's time to blend the shadows together really well. For that I'm using this JS8 brush and I'm just going to buff out the edges really well. I'm going to take a minute and buff out the edges really well. And so far I'm loving this palette and also the brushes. None of the brushes pokey and it performed really well. I feel like थोड़ा सा ऊपर खाली खाली लग रहा है, so I'm going to go for the shade 10% off, like this shade. To put this in my crease, I'm going to use JS13 brush, which is a very small brush, and मैं इसको मेरे crease को थोड़ा सा deepen करने के लिए use करने वाली हूँ, ever so slightly थोड़ा सा crease color को deepen कर दूँ. And I'm going to blend it using again JS8. Okay, I think that's enough for the eyes. I need to go for liner. So for that, I'm going to use this liner brush. This is the Jeffree Star JS14 brush. I'm going to dip into this black shade called as Spooky, and I try to draw my liner with this because why not? I'm definitely going to get fallouts, but I'm ready for it. मैंने अभी तक trace नहीं किया. Okay, there is something wrong with this brush. थोड़ा सा ना एक दो bristles बाहर आए. I don't mind it, but yeah, it did perform really well like a liner, and the brush is also really good. Yes, I did not draw wings. It's been ages. I left my eyeliner without wings, and yeah, the eye look turned out really well. Let's quickly do our base. For base, I'm going to use this Morphe X Jeffree Star Beauty Sponge because I am a beauty sponge kind of girl. Let me show you how this looks. We have 3 sponges, one big size sponge and the other 2 smaller sizes. For some reason, I feel like the smaller sponges are much softer than the big size. It's very dense. So let me quickly wet these sponges and I'll be right back. Okay, this is what the sponge looks after like dampening it. I don't think so there is a huge change in size. Like, let me compare it with the smaller sponge, and there is an increase in size, but it did not increase a lot. So let's see, but still this sponge feels very hard. I don't know. Let's blend the foundation and see कि ये कैसा blend करता है. Let me start with color corrector. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade reddish orange, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes and around my mouth. I'm going to blend it with my finger. For foundation, I'm going to go for my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I'm going to take a little bit of foundation at the back of my hand. And now we are going to test out 2 products. I'm going to, on one side of my face, I'm going to use the Jeffree Star sponge, and on the other side, where is my brush? Yeah. On the other side, I'm going to use this Morphe M442 stippling brush. So let me work section by section. Let's go for the sponge side first. I'm going to apply it on my right side. Okay, this much, and I'm going to see because this sponge is very hard, so I don't know how this is going to like blend my foundation. I feel like I'm hitting myself with this. It's very hard. It blended the foundation really well also. And the shape is really good to reach the corners of your face. I'm liking the sponge, but it's very hard. I wish it was a bit softer, so it would have been in my favorite sponge card list. I'm going to take a little bit of more foundation and I'm going to apply this on this half of my face, and I'm going to go for this stippling brush on this side. It blended foundation in seconds. Did you see? Like within seconds, it just blended the foundation. Okay, I really like the brush, but I have a problem. I cannot reach my under eye area. So sponge did a better job over there. Okay, this sponge reaches the corner. So that is the main reason why I prefer sponge over brushes, guys. Because sponge से मुझे वो precision मिलता है than brush. But सबका अपना अपना पसंद है. So yeah. Let's go for concealer. For concealer, I'm going to go for my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Now I'm going to blend it using that small Chotu blender. I think this is supposed to be used for concealer only, but I think bada wala स्पंज काम कर देता है प्रॉपरली. यू डोंट नीड अ एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल स्पंज. आई फील लाइक so. So I'm giving that angle to my concealer, like my eyeshadow as well. Okay, I'm going to set the places wherever I applied concealer using the same sponge, and I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder for that. I am not very sure about this sponge, guys. It did the job, but it's very hard, so I don't know. I seriously don't know whether I like it or not. Okay, let's go for bronzer. I'm going to use my butter bronzer itself. Okay, let's go for blush. For blush, I think I'm going to go to my James Charles palette. I'm going to use this shade as my blush. I don't know how this is gonna go, but I'm gonna go very light-handed. I'll tell you the shade name. I lost that paper.
3 hours later.
Okay guys, I lost that paper. I'm going to use this shade. I don't remember the shade name. And I'm going to like, मेरा brush बड़ा है fan size से, but still like I'm gonna take a little bit of it. Tap off the excess and apply it at the apple of my cheeks. Yes, it did perform really well. It is looking really very good. And I'm going to blend it with my sponge. जिस तरफ मैंने फाउंडेशन लगाया था उसी साइड से I'm just going to blend it out. Oh yes, I'm loving it. Right-handedly आप कोई भी eyeshadow का ब्रश यूज कर सकते हो. Let's go for this shade again, the black shade, and I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line. I'm taking the same shade जिससे मैंने मेरे crease को blend किया था. I'm going to blend that black shadow. I'm going to take this shade again, the Escape I believe, and I'm going to just smoke out my lower lash line. The eyes are done and they look really pretty, right? It's time to try the setting spray. This is the Morphe X Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist. So this has the strawberry. No, this is not strawberry. This is starberry. So this looks like a deodorant bottle. And let me just spray it out first. Oh, this is the continuous mist. It smells really good. This is very refreshing and it is a bit sweet to taste. This is the first ever setting spray that did not attack me. I already love it. Let's go for it one more time. I'm loving it. I loved it. It's time for highlighter and I'm going to go for this shade. Okay, this is not the blinding highlighter if you wish to use this, but it is definitely blended. I'm going to switch to my sponge and just blend that shade into my skin. I'm going to use the same shade as my highlighter on my brow bone and my inner corner. Let me quickly apply a coat of mascara. Okay guys, let's quickly finish up the look using a lipstick. For lipstick I have this. This is the Nykaa Molten Matte Lip and Cheek color. Actually ये नया product है, मैंने अभी तक try नहीं किया है, so I thought ये video perfect रहेगा to try out this. So let me quickly apply this and tell you how it feels. Okay, first of all, it's a very sheer formula. It's not covering any of the pigmentation. This shade is nice though. I don't know whether this is going to set down in matte or not. They say this is molten matte, so let's wait and see whether this settles down to matte or not. And tab tak let's conclude what are the products I liked in this video. Oh my god, the James Charles palette. You will see me using this a lot, and I don't know YouTube पे मैं इस पे video डालूंगी या नहीं. You guys tell me, because I know you guys cannot get it as easily as I got it. I'm definitely going to create a lot of looks using this palette on my Instagram. But if you guys want, तो मैं YouTube पे भी create करूँगी. Do let me know whether you want to see it or not. This is such a versatile palette. I think I can go for this shade as bronzer as well. Like, this is really a very good palette. And about the brushes from Jeffree Star, they are really good. Like, I really like them. I think it's too early to tell you about all the brushes, but जो भी brushes मैंने आज use किए, I really love them. So I will see myself using these brushes a lot because guys, Eye brush is something that I reach out for and I can never have enough eye brushes. Isliye I went for this brush rather than their face brush collection. And about this brush, I'm still a sponge kind of girl than brush. Maybe I can say I did not find that brush which will make me like brushes more than sponge. As of now, मुझे ऐसा कोई brush मिला नहीं है. Future का I can't say anything. ये brush ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. I did blend the foundation very easily and very fastly. But I prefer my sponge than this. Okay, now when it comes to the sponges, oh my god, let me show you something. Can you guys see this? This is the first time I'm using this sponge and it already like gave up on me. I wasn't expecting this. It literally gave up on me. Like first use में ही I have my Pune store का sponge which is at least 1.5 year old and it works perfectly fine even today. And ये first use में ऐसा हो गया. I wasn't expecting this, so I think it's a utter disappointment. Let's talk about the mist. I really love the mist. Oh my god, like I really like the scent of it. It has that sweet fruity scent and the mist did not attack me. I really loved it. It was a continuous mist. This is really a beautiful product. Let's talk about the lipstick now. It is transferring a bit and it is quite a sheer lipstick. I don't know why. Like, I think this is supposed to be a lip and cheek color. इसके लिए it is very sheer, but Lakme का जो lip and cheek color है, it is quite pigmented than this. So I think I'll prefer the Lakme one than this. So yeah, the disappointments were these two, like the lipstick and the sponge. I wasn't expecting this. Yeah, like. So yes, with this we come to the end of this video guys. If you found it helpful or if you enjoyed watching it, do give this video a big thumbs up. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys very soon. Until then, bye.